Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the philosophical and ethical issues of artificial intelligence. In our team, Nurmakhan Tabilov, Aida Sapienova, and Tokhuzbaeva Rikejan. Let's get started. To begin with, the artificial intelligence is broadly understood as the artificial and the computational system that thinks and acts like a human. For instance, feelings and conscious decisions that artificial intelligence makes. It's like the humanity's behavior, it shows intelligence humanity behavior. That is why it's closer to us than our skin. So the philosophy of artificial intelligence attempts to answer the questions such as follows. Can a machine act intelligently? Can it solve any problem that a person would solve by thinking? Are human intelligence and the machine intelligence the same? Is the human brain essentially a computer? Can a machine have a mind, mental states, and a consciousness in the same sense that a human being can? Can it feel how things are? These are the questions that the philosophy of artificial intelligence attempts to answer. So here are the wide range of issues in the artificial intelligence, and we will now tell it one by one. Unemployment. The hierarchy of labor is concerned primarily with automation. This is where we come to the question of how we are going to spend our time. Most people still rely on selling their time to have enough income to sustain themselves and their families. If we succeed with the transition, one day we might look back and think that it was barbaric that human beings were required to sell the majority of their waking time just to be able to live. Inequality. Our economic system is based on compensation for contribution to the economy, often assessed using an hourly wage. The majority of companies are still dependent on hourly work when it comes to products and services. Consequently, individuals who have ownership in artificial intelligence-driven companies will make all the money. Humanity. Artificially intelligent bots are becoming better and better at modeling human conversation and relationships. These headlines are often optimized with A/B testing, a rudimentary form of algorithmic optimization for content to capture our attention. This and other methods are used to make numerous video and mobile games become addictive. Tech addiction is the new frontier of human dependency. Artificial stupidity. Systems usually have a training phase in which they learn to detect the right patterns and act according to their input. Once a system is fully trained, it can then go into test phase, where it is hit with more examples and we see how it performs. Obviously, the training phase cannot cover all possible examples that a system may deal with in a real world. Racist robots. So artificial intelligence is capable of a speed and capacity of processing that's far beyond that of humans. It cannot always be trusted to be fair and neutral. Google and its parent company Alphabet are one of the leaders when it comes to artificial intelligence, as seen in Google's photo service, where artificial intelligence is used to identify people, objects, and scenes. Security. The more powerful a technology becomes, the more can it be used for nefarious reasons as well as good. After all, we are dealing with a system that's faster and more capable than us by orders of magnitude. Evil genes. It's not just adversaries we have to worry about. What is artificial intelligence itself turned against us? This doesn't mean by turning evil in the way a human might, or the way artificial intelligence disasters. And the last one, robot rights. Once we consider machines as entities that can perceive, feel, and act, it's not a huge leap to ponder their legal status. Should they be treated like animals of comparable intelligence? Will we consider of suffering of feeling machines? Some ethical questions are about mitigating suffering, some about risking negative outcomes. While we consider these risks, we should also keep in mind that, on the whole, this technological progress means better lives for everyone. Artificial intelligence has vast potential, and its responsible implementation is up to us.